This video, I will show you how to create a group in TikTok app. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on inbox right here. Click on inbox. To start a group or create a group in TikTok, go ahead and select a contact. So I'm going to go ahead and select this particular contact right here in the chat box. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and click on create group. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and add as many as possible number of people to the group. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and select another contact right here. I will select as many as possible number of people into the group. Go ahead and click on create. Just like so. At this point now, you have successfully created a group. You can click on this pencil icon right here. This allows you to rename the group. Then go ahead and enter the group name right here. Once you enter the name of the group, go ahead and hit on save. And you are done. Then here, you can use this invite link to send it to more people that you want them to join your group. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.